Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to do solution MySQL shutdown unexpectedly. Okay, so I will go to XAMPP installation directory. This is my XAMPP installation directory, and go to MySQL directory and go to data directory. Okay, there are many files and folder. So at first I will back up this data folder. Just copy and paste. This is my data folder backup directory. Okay, and I will go to backup directory and select all and copy and paste data directory. Okay, and replace. Now I will check again and stop and restart. Start MySQL and start Apache. Just already started. I will check PHP localhost, PHP my admin. Just okay, no problem here, but one problem is still now. If I click any database name, just click, there are no data and in use, collection is in use. Okay, I will solve this problem right now. Okay, just I will go my MySQL directory and go to data backup directory. That's in this folder, and there are 3-4 file and folder. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. I will copy 3 folder, 3 file, and I will paste my new data folder, paste and replace. Okay, oh sorry, I will stop and replace. Okay, I will restart again. Okay, and refresh here. Okay, this I will click any table, everything okay. I have successfully solution this problem. Thank you very much.